Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Xtm. As y'all know, it was giving me troubles to stay straight. So I did some changes. I also took the motor out that I had in here, which was a 2200, and put a 1650 kV. So we're gonna do a little bit of testing. I do have the GPS up there. It's not really a speed run. Just want to make sure that the car is somewhat going straight. So I got the GPS zeroed out. Timer started. See if we could at least get the car to make a clean pass without going so crazy. I got a car coming down there, clear behind me. That's much more better. What the fuck are you doing? What we pray? I can't been driving slow since all the way over there. Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's try to make a quick pass. It was smooth. Let's see if I can bring it back real quick. Better than what I did. Do got the steering up high, so that's me overcorrecting. She's doing a lot better, honestly. That's just me with the steering up high. I could turn it down, I could do a lot better. All right, now I'm getting, I think one of my batteries is rubbing. Let me check that. Car starts pulling like that, something's holding on the back wheel. That's just me from my trays that I made up. So I just want to check and make sure. Nope, both are good. So let me try to fix a sub trim now, see if that'll help. Okay, so I'm pulling, as y'all see when I hit it to the, hit it, when I give it a hit period, it pulls. So that's what I'm out here trying to fix. Sure it's hot now. Give it one more hit and I'm gonna call it a wrap. See that front wheel wobbling like a mug. I didn't even check the GPS. Let me bring this car back in and call it a wrap. I'm over here getting too hype, and that's how normally I blow motors in ESCs. I don't have no speed run or drag gearing on here. It's just a test. Just want to see if I got the car to go straight, but it's proving me wrong. I'm at 77 right there, which is not bad. So I will get it back out because I'm not giving up on it. I will get it back out. I think I could do better than 77. I already We'll do actually a series. I'm gonna go up. I'm not gonna tell y'all what the gearing is, but I'm gonna go up 1 teeth every time I bring this car out until it goes backwards, and then we'll know from there. All right, guys, stay tuned. It was a good run, 77 on 6S. Let me actually show y'all that.
By you twice, I want to check you out.
Oh yeah.
You run that baby, huh?
Yeah, I just did. I did 70.
You said you're out here. You're out here. You're gonna put bombs on it.
yeah. For sure.
Hey, can't you lay bomb on it? All right, brother. Take care. She like see on a movie.
Enjoy your day. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. That was a brief intermission. But this one 6S pack, as y'all can see. I did run the other one earlier. I was just killing off this one. Ever since I put new foams on this car, it started to go crazy on me, and also with the shocks. But other than that, I'm still working on it. It got a 1650 rocket motor in there. Motor ain't even hot. I could hold it literally, and I done did a few passes back to back. That ain't bad. Still got some more dialing in to do with this car. Let me unplug it. I'm sorry about that. I always do that, y'all. I be talking with the fan on. But I got an old cat pack on here I've been using for about 2 years now. I mean, it's still a work in progress. I ain't giving up on it. It's a reason why it's kicking out for me, and I have yet to figure that out. It's odds and ends I can do to the car when it's pulling on me, but I don't want to do it. I want to be able to pull the throttle and the car goes straight every time. So. Alright guys, y'all stay tuned for more from this. This is a test run, semi-watt speed run, just to see what's going on. I put the other motor back in here, running cooler. We're gonna do some more testing and get it back out. I will get it back out just to see if we could go up a tooth or whatever, and go up 1 just to see what happens there. See if we could get a little bit faster than 77. But I was able to hold it for a minute, so. Alright guys, stay tuned. Sorry for the babbling.